Hi all, what's up? So in this video we are going to be looking at how to accept an integer array and find the number of find the sum of odd and even integers in that array. So let's get started with the program. So basically the program starts off with the header files. So as usual, so hashtag include iostream.h. We include the header file here, conio.h, and now we go to the void main part. So as you for those of you who don't know what main is actually the main body of the main function or the main body of the program. So the whole action of this program is what is going to be the output, so we have to design it accordingly. So now in this case we are accepting an integer array, so we have to declare one. So int a of say 10, because we are just accepting 10 integers in that array. So now cout, enter 10 integers. Now for int I equals 0, I less than 10. Okay, what this basically does, this for loop is what this for loop basically does is very simple. Actually I value starts off with 0, because for a of we have declared int a of 10. So this means a of 0 to a of 9 is are the integer values that we are going to be accepting. So we need to start off with 0. So that's why we have declared the I with 0 first, and then I is less than 10. So if I is less than 10, the integer value less than 10 is 9. So it's 0 to 9. So now we are going to be accepting a of 0 to a of 8 to a of 9. Cin x of cin a of I. Okay, having accepted this, now we have accepted, and we have to now formulate the logic for finding the sum of odd and even integers in the accepted array. So now in order to do that, we have to go for I equals 0. Okay, first we have to declare two integers for the purpose of counting, for the purpose of sum of odd and even integers. So for that, se equal to 0. In this case I'm just declaring name can vary accordingly, but it should be of the integer data type. So yeah, now for I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Okay, so now again the same thing. Now we have if a of I %2, it's actually modulus, the same sign, but I just wanted to make sure that it is not called percent in C++, but it's called modulus. If a of I modulus 2 equals 0, now what we are doing is pretty simple. We are just checking if the integer value is when divided with 2 gives the remainder 0, and that's what this if statement does. So now we have to write se equal to se plus a of I, else so equal so plus a of I, and that is it. We close the for loop, and now we have to write cout sum of even integers is se, and sum of odd integers is so. Now getch is basically included in the, what do you call it? Getch is actually included in the conio.h header file. So getch is basically getting accepting a character, so that is why it is used, because before exiting the output screen We just use this function in order to avoid any some happenings of the program. So we don't want to do that. So that's why we include get ch function here. So now the program is ready. Let's test run it. Alt R. Okay. Now enter 10 integers. Okay. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also one more thing is that you have to leave space between each values you write. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now there are 10 integers here. As you can see, you can count if you want. Okay, so now let's enter, and now let's press enter. Now sum of even integers is 30 and sum of odd integers is 25. Okay, let's check. So now sum of odd integers is given as 25, right? Okay, so now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd integers. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. So sum of odd integers is 25. And sum of even integers is 30. I mean, it's given here. So sum of even integers, it's 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. So we have written the correct logic for the given program. And I also want to make one thing clear. Please like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get instant updates as and when I upload my videos. Thank you.